Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and what I'm doing right now is actually cutting patterns to make baseball jerseys. So don't go anywhere, and I'll show you real quick how to do that. We've been doing a lot of cut and sew, and what people call it 3D shirts. Well, another thing that we started doing is baseball jerseys, which are also full sublimated cut and sew, or what people call it 3D baseball jerseys. And so basically that's what this is what they look like. This is for a friend of mine in Austin, Texas. So that's what we are doing right now. So I'm gonna show you how we cut our patterns with the laser using Cam 5. You can barely see it right here. Cam 5 laser machine is a CFL CMA 1536K. That means is that it's 51 inches this way. That's how much you can cut. 51 inches this way, 36 inches this way. The K is so it'll raise the platform up and down if you needed to cut thicker material, or if you want to use the rotary attachment, like if you want to do mugs and stuff like that. But today, or right now, what I'm doing is cutting the patterns to make shirts like this, baseball jerseys, which we have in order about 56 jerseys that we have to do. And that's what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the vacuum, whatever that thing is called, and that gets a little loud. So just in case if you hear that sound, that's what it is. Let me go turn it on so you guys can see how we cut it. Okay, so hopefully that's not too loud. Let me switch this over. What I use to cut my patterns is obviously the laser, right? But we use a software called Lightburn, and I get my patterns through basically like the ones that I have right now. I bought them on Etsy, and then I just modify them. Usually when you buy patterns, especially on Etsy, they come like very small or in pieces, and I just put them together, make it work for what I do, convert them so the laser can read them and cut them. That's what I'm doing. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see on the laptop, but let me show you real quick. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard for you guys to see the laptop to see what I'm doing. But what I'm gonna do is I just finished cutting the medium, so size medium. I just finished cutting them, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab size large, and I have all my sizes right here, and you probably can see that. Let me see. No, you can't see it, but I'm sorry guys, I don't have a screen. What do you call it? Like when we record the screen on this one, I don't have that. But I created my files on this one all the way. Hopefully you can see that. Let me turn it this way so maybe the glare goes away. There you go. So I created my files to go all the way to 6X, because yes, I'm in Texas and we do have people that ask for 5 and 6X. Actually 4 and 5X is very popular. 3X is super popular. So I created my files all the way to 6X, and that's what you see right here. As a matter of fact, I gotta cut a 6X. So actually, let's cut the 6X so you guys can see the software, or the what do you call it, the laser in action cutting this 6X. So now what I gotta do is I just have to put it in this little area right here, making sure that it fits, and it fits. Sorry, and as you can see, again, you probably can't see it, but it barely fits, like barely fits in the screen. That's another reason why we only go up to 6X, because it barely fits. Let me make sure that everything is good, and let me see how big this is. That's not gonna fit. Okay, so we're gonna cut the actual the back of the jersey right now. So that's what you're gonna be seeing the laser do, is gonna be cutting the back of the jersey. And usually what I do is I create a line so it cuts a perfect line. That way when I pull it, it's ready to go. So here we go. And this is real time. I'm not gonna edit this. As you can see, I'm speaking over or talking over the laser. But yeah, this is real time. That's how fast the laser can actually cut it. And it's done. So let me show you the piece that it just cut, just so you can get an idea of how big a 6X is. And this sucker is huge, you know. As you can see it right there. It's big. It's big. So now let me cut the front of it, because that's obviously the back. And I have all my fabric in the back of the laser, or behind the laser. And then, so whenever I cut a shirt, what I do is I just pull it back. I got my lines to guide me and let me know how far I can go. And then let me grab the front of the shirt. Okay, so on this one, what you're gonna see the laser cutting is gonna cut the front of the shirt, which is gonna be just one side, both of the sleeves and the neck part. So here we go. And first what it's doing is just cutting the material off. And now it's gonna cut this is the neck part, what goes behind the neck. Let me show you. There you go. This is what's gonna be in the back of the neck. That's the front of the shirt. Again, one side. See that? That's one side of the shirt. And then the two sleeves. This is what the sleeves look like. And then the next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the other side of the shirt. Okay, so this time it's gonna cut the other side, so which is gonna be the left side of the front of the shirt. It's gonna cut the inside on the side of the shirt. And that's it. Oh, I actually cut this one twice. Like, I don't need this one, you know, because I already have one, but hey, can leave it there for next time. And again, this is the other side of the front of the shirt. I know it's kind of big because it's a 6X, right? And then these strips right here, they go on this is where the buttons go. So the button will be right here, but they kind of go on the inside. And obviously you need two of them, one for the left, one for the right side. So I hope you liked this video, guys. I know it's kind of quick. It's just showing just one shirt, right? But you know, all the other ones are basically the same. This is how we cut our patterns for 3D shirts, for any kind of shirts. On the next video, you're gonna see me actually making the actual shirts, sublimating the shirts first, and then putting them together so they'll become an actual jersey. If you guys are wondering how is it that I, able to pull the fabric just like this, I actually built the rack that holds 9 rolls in the back of this laser. If you guys like the laser, how it works, check out Count 5 Lasers USA. Count 5 Lasers USA. Yeah, just check them out. These lasers are great. I've been having this laser for about 3 years. Perfect, no issues, no complaints, nothing. Perfect machine, perfect. So if you guys like, or say for example, you're in the industry and you want to cut something real quick to make a sample or whatever, get your laser. Check out Count 5. But guys, that's it. This is it for this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Also guys, don't forget that I will be making a video, 1 video a day for the rest of the month, which is, March, and for the entire month of April. And also, don't forget that we're doing the challenge with Right Beats. I'm challenging Right Beats to the same thing that I'm doing, which is gonna be 1 video a day. Hopefully he'll take the challenge. Why, you ask? Because he called me a quitter. He said I quit YouTube. No, I didn't quit. It's just that people keep us busy, like really busy. So make sure that you guys check out Right Beats, and remember, if you guys can, order some stickers from him, order some DTF transfers, order some screen printing. If you have a job, if you're a church, whatever, if you're a construction company and you need t-shirts made, make sure you call Right Beats. I'm gonna try to put his email on the description below or somewhere in here in this screen, so you'll be seeing his email right here. I cannot give you his phone number because I don't want anybody flooding him with calls. But if you need hats, embroidery, beanies, whatever it is that you need, give him a call. Let's flood him with so much work that he understands why I'm not able to be on YouTube like I used to. But again, challenge goes like this: 1 video a day, not a live show, an actual video like this one. 1 video a day for the month of April. Yes. Thank you guys. It was a pleasure like always. I will catch you in the next one. Adios. God bless you. Bye-bye now.